Okay, guys, what's up? Don't look at that. It is currently 7:48 p.m. I'm gonna friend somebody. I just got the diamond egg from Black Bear, I'm pretty sure. And I'm gonna show you how much honey I literally just got. I literally just have to waste so much time to get that much stuff. Probably gonna start playing on mobile soon once I get over 26 royal jellies. If I can get over 26 royal jellies, I'll start playing on mobile more. Okay, let's go get Black Bear. I'm so hyped right now because I've completed all the other quests. Look, I knew you had it from the start. Just look at you and your look at you and your bees now. A real sight to behold. You probably know more about honey than I do at this point. I can't think of any better to have this. My diamond egg. It always hatches into a legendary or mythic bee. Oh, but I'm not done. Talk to me again when you're ready for some extreme honey making. I just got a 1 million honey, a diamond egg. I have 7 million. And I got another hive slot earlier. This is not clickbait because I'm not. A diamond egg. Let's do it. 3, 2, wait. 3, 2, 1. Bruh. At least it was a diamond egg. How many legendary? I have 3 ninja bees. Travis, if you're watching this, it's not clickbait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more legendary, and then I can summon a special sprout. Okay, guys, I want to see some extreme power right here. I don't know what he just said. High altitudes. And now I have to get let me calculate this. I'm so scared right now. This is gonna probably take half of today and then tomorrow. You know what? CM. We're not going. So in my last video, somebody commented I asked for somebody's Roblox username. And they sent their Roblox username, so I'm about to friend them. Crack. Oh, dang it. I gotta go, guys. But if you guys know you're about to get friended, congratulations. Bye.